So as y'all know, I did get a fuel pump from the junkyard right the other day, and today I came to work to come install it. You know what I'm saying? As you know, I work at an auto parts store, so yeah, but it was cheap at a junkyard. So it's installed right here. The old one was a core, took a couple of dollars off, but we're gonna start this thing up. You already know they go to Cadillac family since day one. Beautiful right there. Let's see what's going on. Go ahead and drop the clutch real quick. Get this in neutral. There we go. You hear that? Oh man, it turned off. Hold on. So we're gonna try it again. Let this clutch down, get it to neutral. Let's see. I got it running. It ain't got much gas. You know, don't want to mess up that fuel pump. But I got it running, that's what counts. Might have to do an oil change, tune up, and everything else. Yep, stay tuned to the next one.